Are you a dental practice owner trying to stay on top of your numbers while running a busy office? Let me show you a simple, powerful way to keep your finances in check every single month without needing to be a spreadsheet wizard. This is the Dental KPI, Monthly Overhead Tracker, a clean, easy-to-use Google Sheet built to help you track the most important numbers in your practice, month to month. You'll be tracking net production, collections, overhead, and more, all laid out clearly across each month so you can quickly input and review your data. And because it's built in Google Sheets, it's accessible from anywhere: your office, your home, even your phone. It autosaves, backs up in the cloud, and makes collaboration with your CPA or consultant super simple. No more guessing. Instantly see how your collections compare to production and whether your overhead is staying in a healthy range. At the bottom, totals and monthly averages are calculated for you, so you can spot trends, measure progress, and adjust with confidence. Now, here's something important. This sheet is designed for manual input on purpose. Why? Because manually entering these numbers each month forces you to stay connected with the business side of your practice. You learn exactly where to find key financials like production, collections, and overhead, and you actually start to understand how they affect your bottom line. It's not just data entry, it's business awareness. And don't worry, we've included a README tab with clear instructions to guide you every step of the way. So if you're ready to stop flying blind and start running your practice with confidence, grab the Dental KPI, Monthly Overhead Tracker. Track your numbers, understand your business, and take control of your growth, 1 month at a time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment below, and share it with a fellow practice owner who needs to see this. Don't forget to subscribe for more tools and tips to help you grow your dental business. And most importantly, click the link below to download your copy of the Dental KPI, Monthly Overhead Tracker, and start taking control of your numbers today.